Hello friends, welcome to LMS. So in this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI tool, and also I am going to show how this chatbot is designed and how to give your research prompts in that respective chatbot. And also I am going to show you 5 important research prompts so you can consider to give for your the research paper writing purposes. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a chatbot especially designed for research paper writing and how to give important research prompts in them and how to get better content out of it. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how you can use that for your research paper writing. So for that, first go to LMS solution. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. This is the tool what we are going to discuss today, that is chatbot. So just click on the option called chatbot. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So what is the difference between other chatbots available in market and this chatbot is that this chatbot is trying to provide precise and perfect research paper content. That is the unique thing present in this respective chatbot. I am going to explore 5 important research prompts on and let us see how it will generate better content for us. For that, first I am going to take a prompt like this. Write a structured literature review on MPPT techniques under partial shading conditions. Include conventional, intelligent, hybrid methods. For each paper, mention algorithm, system type, simulation, hardware, performance metrics, and limitation. This prompt you can use it for your literature review writing. So just to change the title and the area of your research, it will provide a perfect literature review. So just to copy this research prompt and paste in the chatbot and just click on the option called chat. So it will take some time. It will analyze that respective research prompt and it will provide answer for you. Very perfect and precise answer you will get from this chatbot. If you need, you can add upon even in this add some equations like that. If you automatically it will add and it will provide the content. The important and unique thing in this chatbot is that so many of the chatbot will give a common content in, for example, if you use chat gpt, gemini, cloud, so whatever it may be, it will give some common content. This give the precise content by reading your prompt perfectly. So here comes the output generated by this chatbot: literature review on MPPT techniques under partial shading condition. Here you can see this is the content. What are the conventional MPPTs and other algorithm, system, simulation or hardware, and then what are the intelligent MPPT techniques. So after that you will be having hybrid MPPT techniques. So after that, conclusion. This is how it will generate the content for you. So in the same way, I am going to give the second prompt: summarize recent research 2019 to 25 and optimization algorithm used in photovoltaic MPPT. Compare these kind of methods, these algorithms. So just to copy this prompt. In this way of giving prompt will provide better content rather than giving a general prompt. So you can pinpoint or give what is the expected output you need. So that is a very important thing in giving prompt. So not only this chatbot, any chatbot you can use. You have to give the prompt correctly. So if you provide the prompt perfectly, surely I will assure that you will get your desired answers from chatbot, because nowadays the chatbots are trained very better. So here comes the result for the second prompt. So recent research has been conducted. All the optimization algorithm were explained, and then a comparison analysis related with convergence speed, tracking efficiency and complexity will be also given. So after that, a conclusion regarding this particular search will be given. This is how it will generate the content. Very precise content it will only generate. So don't generate more content as like chat gpt do. So it will generate paragraphs and paragraphs of content. So if you give prompts, this is give very precise points which you can use the same in your research paper writing also. So next, third prompt: I write a literature review on energy management of grid linked EV charging station. In this, some option has been discussed as we have discussed about literature review. So I am going to move on this prompt 4. So identify research gaps in ANN based MPPT methods for hybrid PV wind system under dynamic weather. Provide 5 gaps and convert them into clear problem statement. This point is very important. So you can use the same for your that is research paper writing also. So you can give the same prompt. So just by changing the title of your own research topic, just click on the option and give chat Again, it will analyze that respective prompt and it will provide perfect answer for you. Here comes the content: research gaps and problem statements. So, limited adaptability to rapid weather changes, insufficient data diversity for training, integration of multi source data, real time processing, computational efficiency, lack of predictive capability. Summary. Very perfect points will be given, especially related with the topic what we have asked for, that is AN based MPPT methods, ANN based MPPT methods. So, next one is that next is generate a problem statement for a thesis titled Develop a Smart App for Coordinating Managing EV Charging Infrastructure, include motivation, challenges, and expected contributions. So, just to copy that prompt, go to Chatbot, just paste here and then click on chat. So, it will analyze the content again and it will provide perfect answer for you. Here comes the answer. It will give the thesis title, problem statement, motivation, what are the challenges, and expected contributions. Perfectly, it will give all the things what we have asked for without giving unwanted things, unwanted common details. So, it will give perfect content. So, you can use the same content for your research paper writing. So, this is how you can use this prompts in this chatbot wisely in order to generate perfect research paper content for your research paper. So, make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy using this LMSAA. Other than that, you will be having different kind of LMSAA templates. All these LMSAA templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So, go on and explore this LMSAA research paper writing templates and make your research paper writing simple. So, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.